Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ando Foundation token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. Ticker symbol is Ondo, O-N-D-O. We're going to go over the information on this token and this project and how you can get the token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. It's already a very well-established project. According to their Etherscan, they have 12,051 holders already, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 10 billion Ondo tokens. So this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 18th at 12 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ONDO, and then simply just buy the token. Now this token is getting a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings. You can see them on their Twitter that's on the screen here. They're being listed on Bybit, on Gate, HTX, and Bitmex, and also Mexc Global. So it was just announced, all these brand new listing announcements, all different times and whatnot. So check those out on their Twitter here. Now they also have a Telegram you could join at Ondo Community on Telegram. And they have 44,952 Telegram members. So their socials are doing very well. The token's doing very well. Their Twitter has 61,900 Twitter followers. So everything's in the thousands over here, basically. So what is the Ondo Foundation? Well, in 2022, Ondo Finance helped to establish the Ondo Foundation, formerly known as the Neptune Foundation, an independently governed and non-profit Cayman Island foundation company with no beneficial owners. Ondo Foundation associated in the launch of the Ondo DAO, which deployed and currently governs Flux Finance. The first lending protocol supported tokenized securities as collateral. What is their mission? It says the Ondo Foundation has a mission of democratizing access to institutional grade finance. We are focused on supporting decentralized protocols like Flux, acting as a real-world touch point for the Ondo Decentralized Autonomous Organization, the DAO, and more recently supporting tokenized real-world assets like USDY. Notably, the Ondo Foundation, through its subsidiaries, owns 99% of the common equity in Ondo USDY LLC, the issuer of USDY. The Ondo Foundation therefore benefits from the growth of USDY and uses proceeds from this growth to further enhance its mission. Now, which key areas does the foundation focus? So Ondo's Ando Foundation's mandate is focused on several key areas. Number one is supporting innovation, so financing and endorsing projects that reasonably advance the adoption of tokenized real-world assets and their use in on-chain financial products. Educating and promoting awareness, so increasing public understanding of our ecosystem and the benefit of asset tokenization. Treasury management, so overseeing a treasury to facilitate strategic ecosystem growth. Contract deployment, so issuing governance tokens and deploying protocol smart contracts. Web application management, so hosting web applications for certain platforms in the ecosystem. Strategic partnerships and engagement, so collaborating with businesses, regulators, and other stakeholders. Intellectual property management, acquiring and handling IP rights. And community events and engagement, organizing events to strengthen community ties. So obviously they do a lot of stuff. So the Ando Foundation works with Ondo Finance as a commercial partner that is focused on the provision of certain technology and business development services and the management of certain tokenized real-world assets like USDY. So what is the Ondo token? Well, we already went over the Etherscan and the tokenomics and stuff, but it says in mid-2022, Ondo Foundation, through its subsidiaries, sold Ondo tokens to over 18,000 individuals through CoinList. So Ondo token holders are entrusted with shaping the future of the Ondo DAO so that it continues to pursue its mission to democratize access to institutional-grade finance. The Ondo DAO gives Ondo holders specific rights pertaining to Flux Finance, which is currently governed by the Ondo DAO. And what is the Ondo ecosystem? So the Ondo ecosystem encompasses the full set of partners working with the affiliated Ondo Foundation that are aligned with its mission of bringing institutional grade financial products and services to everyone. Contributors to the Ondo ecosystem include developers, educators, researchers, partners, and strategic contributors. Now, if you want to find tons of info about this project, go over to their webpage, ondo.finance. Over there, you could find blog articles, governance information, points, info, socials like Telegram, Discord group, their Twitter, that's right on the screen here. But then you can also learn about their partners, like Flux is on here. They have their partners, CoinGecko, Bloomberg, Bullish, Wall Street Journal, Bank of America, Flow Traders, etc. At the very bottom of their page, though, you could check out Ondo Finance, how to vote, discuss, all these different things. So check it all out, ondo.foundation. And you can find this token newly listed as of today on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.